Hello, in this video I want to show you how to customize your overall interface for Steamdeck desktop mode. So to do this, you'll need to click on the left trackpad while being on your desktop. Here enter edit mode, and now you can add different widgets. You can also move or increase this or decrease the size of widgets, as well as configure the wallpaper. Choose a global theme for your Steamdeck. So let's go with a breeze dark, for example, and apply. Now let's enter the edit mode again, and you can also show the activity switcher to add different instances for your desktop. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.